Hello, Safety John with AIM Transportation Solutions, bringing you the first of this year's 2026 weekly safety bulletins. Driving along and the traffic light turns yellow. What do we do? Let's start from the beginning. Make sure we are looking far enough ahead as we approach the traffic light. Is it a stale green light being on for an extended period of time? Are we scanning for cross traffic or turning traffic as we approach the yellow traffic light? And had we asked ourselves, what would I do if this light were to turn yellow? These and other tips will help you safely navigate and approach a yellow traffic light. Driver managers, dispatchers, when talking to your drivers, remind them to use extra caution as they approach traffic lights throughout their workday. Bottom line, as the saying goes, knowing what to do when the light turns yellow could save your life.